Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a phone mockup scene in Adobe Photoshop. Import a phone frame and drop it into your workspace. Now double click the screen layer to edit smart object content and also place your app or UI design on the screen. Save and close the smart object to see it auto updates. Now use drop shadow for subtle depth beneath the phone, and also add a light reflections along the screen for top edges. Enhance background with a blurred gradient color, and also use inner glow for natural light reflections from screen edges. Duplicate the phone layer and blur it slightly for reflections below.